सो गाइस पुरथू में हमने बढ़िया रंजीत सागर रिजर्वायर के साइड पे कैंपिंग करके रुके हुए थे और यहाँ पर ऐसे ही हल्की हल्की पूरी रात हवा चलती रही है, जिस वजह से हमें रुकने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई। गाइस ऐसी नेचुरल वाटर बॉडीज़ में मेरे को स्विमिंग करना बहुत पसंद है, तो इसीलिए अब हम एक ऐसा सेफ स्पॉट ढूंढेंगे जहां हम अपनी सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखते हुए स्विमिंग कर सकें। तो yep, we have got a spot for ourselves where we can take a nice swim early in the morning away from prying eyes, and there is a fish there.
Where?
I saw it come out. Yep. Wow.
So nice.
Damn. यार मेरे को खुद तो इतने अच्छे से स्विमिंग नहीं आती है, लेकिन फिर भी जब भी मेरे को मौका मिलता है तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि हाँ थोड़ा बहुत हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकें, और जितना हमने वीडियोस पे देख देख के सीखा है उसे थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करके अपनी एबिलिटीज़ हैं उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ाया जाए। I found ground.
You swim cute.
Sarah, how was your
It
experience?
was beautiful. It was so nice to swim in water after like a week of 45-degree days. I feel like my body has just cooled down completely.
Nice, good to hear that. And yeah, like after the best thing about it is it's clean water, but the thing is you have to be very cautious. If you don't know swimming, you might drown. You will drown. You might. It's not might. You will drown.
You're right.
Yeah.
I'll just
So
give it a go.
better be careful. And yeah, that's a beautiful spot. That's why I love this place. You can swim, you can camp, you can have a nice time, and you can even come here for a day trip from Jammu. Yeah, it's just 160 kilometers. So guys, finally it's time to leave this place, and for the record, like this place it's called Purthu. And Sarah, what does this place remind you of?
Mini Goa.
Not mini Goa,
It
just Goa. It reminds you of Goa. The fun fact is this place is called Mini Goa, Purthu Mini Goa. And yeah, like you cannot get enough of this place. Like it's so beautiful, and even for summers it's like 9 and it's still like it's not that hot now, right?
No, it's fine, yeah.
It's fine. So yeah, we like this place and we are glad that we stayed up here instead of staying in Bani, or for that matter like exploring around Bani. Now we are going to the main town. We'll have some breakfast and after that we'll be setting straight to Jammu. So chalo
Mate.
Chalo mate, before it gets too hot. La, 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 la. Wow, this looks like such a beautiful time. Shall we go there?
I'm impartial to it.
So guys, on the way from Purthur to Basoli, you can find a very beautiful and ancient Shiva temple. You can have a good look at it. चन्नाथ टेम्पल महादेरा बसोली, और ये है दोस्तों लगभग 10 से 11 सेंचुरी AD टेम्पल है. And the beautiful part of it was like when you visit these temples, like of course ancient temples, they have a kind of like spiritual energy associated with it. I think the reason being because they are so old, they have seen a lot of beautiful souls coming here worshipping, and yeah, that's what like makes it all the more beautiful. And one thing which was special for me on visiting this temple was that there was sandalwood stick which you can rub on a stone and then like put the tilak. It felt good doing that. So yeah, that's the history of this temple. You can go through it.
बसोली टू जम्मू अराउंड 150 किलोमीटर की राइड है, और इस स्ट्रेच पे भी बहुत ही प्यारी प्यारी वेजिटेशन है, जिस वजह से ये राइड बहुत ही मज़ेदार हो जाती है. आज हम लोग हिल से प्लेन की तरफ जा रहे हैं, तो उस वजह से अब यहाँ पर गर्मी भी थोड़ी ज़्यादा होने वाली है. एक चीज़ जो मेरे को नॉर्थ इंडिया के लोगों की बहुत ही बढ़िया लगती है कि ऐसे जब सर्कमस्टांसिस बन जाते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई है, तो बहुत बार लोग फ्री में सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि आते जाते ट्रैवलर्स को, लोगों को पानी पिलाते हैं.
तो भैया कल पिला दे, कल पानी
खुशी करने पिलाने की.
अच्छा, गर्मी ज़्यादा है ना. हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
थोड़ा ऐसा करना है भी, थोड़ी आग ज़्यादा लगी है,
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी,
गर्मी ज़्यादा हुई है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
थोड़ा माँ चलो पानी शानी पिलाने, बच्चे बुच्चे करना, स्कूल लगी है करना.
हाँ शुक्रिया भैया बड़ा थोड़ा. ये ना आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आए थे, ते मिगी पुछा आखा यार पैसे अहें पानी पीता पीछे पैसे की नहीं. So guys, as of now we are riding on Dhar road which connects Basoli with Udhampur. So the thing is like it's so hot, but we are really blessed that we have these natural water springs from where you can get like chilled and good mineral water, which is of course fit for drinking. Wow. So yeah, it makes the journey quite easy, otherwise it would be very difficult, like especially during these hot summer days. It really gets like quite warm, and right now it's around 42 degrees, so which can really tell you like how difficult it can get riding if not for these like cold springs from where you get like ample amount of water.
सो गाइस दैट्स इट फ्रॉम दिस ट्रिप. हमने अपना पूरा सर्किट सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट कर लिया है. अब हम मिलेंगे आपसे नेक्स्ट सीरीज़ में, तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड.